Things I hate about CapCut.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Today's video is about the things I hate about CapCut.
The popular video editing program that's made professional grade video creation accessible to everyone. With its user-friendly interface, CapCut offers a wide range of tools that make it a favorite among content creators. But despite all these amazing features, there are some things that I'm not a fan of.
In this video, I'll share what I don't like about CapCut, in no particular order.
Shut the fuck up.
One thing I definitely don't like about CapCut is the abundance of advertising. You will find ads everywhere on the user interface.
When you launch the application for the first time,
You will even see ads right on the welcome screen.
in the main application window, some elements are marked as pro features.
After adding a pro sticker to the timeline, you can no longer export the video. A dialog pops up asking you to log in.
It's only fair that the developers need to monetize it somehow to sustain themselves.
However, I can understand why the abundance of ads in the user interface might be frustrating for some users.
Another thing I don't understand, why would anyone pay for this pro feature?
It is a well-known internet meme that you can download anywhere for free.
The same applies to emojis. There are many websites where they can be found. Even Windows has integrated emojis.
It would be great if there was an option to opt out of ads for those who are happy to stick with the free features and don't plan on upgrading to the premium tools.
That way, users could have a more streamlined experience without the distractions. While most things in CapCut work without login, registration is required to use comfort functions such as the definition of favorites. One of the biggest drawbacks of requiring a login is that it creates a barrier to entry for new users. If you're just trying out CapCut for the first time, the last thing you want to do is spend time creating an account or logging in with your social media credentials. Another issue with login requirements is that they can raise privacy concerns.
Not everyone is comfortable sharing their personal information, and rightly so. With all the data breaches and privacy scandals we've seen in recent years, it's no wonder people are hesitant to hand over their email addresses or social media credentials. CapCut is accused of not only collecting photos and videos from users, but also their location, gender, and birthday. The lawsuit states the ABP then builds up a database that is used for targeted advertising, according to the statement of claim. As you all know, CapCut allows you to download stock clips, stickers, effects, and transitions in advance to ensure a quick and smooth workflow. I also made a video showing how to automate the download. After downloading all elements for offline usage, for some reason, it does not work reliably.
Although elements have been downloaded, they are not available for offline use,
Which is a major problem for users who need to work on videos in areas with no internet connection.
Whether you're a filmmaker,
A YouTuber, or just a hobbyist, being able to work offline is a must-have feature.
CapCut should prioritize offline use and ditch the login requirement.
To discourage users from looking for alternatives.
Portable software is incredibly cool because it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, on any device, without leaving a trace.
With a portable application, you can simply plug in your USB drive, launch the program, and get to work, no installation required. Other video editing software like CapCut offers a portable version, which means you can run it directly from a USB drive or other external storage device without installing it on your computer.
CapCut, on the other hand, does not offer a portable version, only an online installer, which is a shame.
A portable version of CapCut would allow users to edit videos on any device without being tied to a specific computer or installation. So those were just a few things I hate about CapCut. I plan to make another video where I will discuss more things I don't like. If you want to see part 2, like the video.
Now to you, what do you dislike about CapCut?
Leave a comment below.
I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.